Hi, and welcome to RN by Inside Learning. This is the 12th video of Java series. In this video, we will learn about the exception. Okay, what is the exception and what is the hierarchy of the exception? Okay, so let's begin. Before jump into the practical, I would like to uh, represent the theoretical part. Okay. Okay, what is an exception? If first question is that what is an exception? Exception are any abnormal events or extraordinary condition that may occur at the time of at the runtime. Okay, or we can say an exception is unexpected event that occur during program execution. It affects the flow of the program instruction, which can cause the program to terminate abnormally. Some of them are okay: invalid user input, device failure, loss of network connections, physical limitation, code error, opening an unavailable file. Okay, exception handling is a robust technology which we handle with the help of try-catch block. So first, I would like to represent the hierarchy of the exception. This is the hierarchy of the exception. We have two types of exception in Java: checked exception and unchecked exception. We can say another language runtime exception or compile time exception. We will cover everything in practically. Today's video dedicated to only the theoretical part. Okay. So as you know, the object class is a parent class. Is a parent class in Java. Okay, and from the object we have throwable. Okay, in throwable, the throwable have a two part, which is error. One is error and second one is exception. Okay, so an error, we can face so many type of an error, like out of memory error, linkage error or linkage error, sorry, number or format, sorry, this is the exception part. Stack flow error. Okay, now an exception, we have so many type of exception: runtime exception, IO exception, input output. IO means input or output, and index out of bounds exception, file not found exception, arithmetic exception or illegal argument exception, number format exception or socket exception. We will cover everything in practically to demonstrate you. Now, okay, now I will just show you the some practical part, and we will cover in more detail in coming videos. Okay, one second, I will create a package for that exception concept. Okay. And for now, I will show you the checked exception. Checked exception or or compile time exception. Compile time exception. Okay. Public static void display exception error. Okay. Now throw is the keyword to create an exception which we are expecting in the block of the method. For suppose I am expecting input output exception error here. Okay, exception error here. So I am create an object of the exception. Okay, so except IO input exception is a class. Okay, so now you can see we are getting an error. Why? Because we need to handle the exception with the help of try catch, or we can declare the exception type. So this is the input output exception. So I will throwable throws input put exception. Okay, so throws all the exception comes from the throws. Okay, I will explain what is the difference between throws and throw. Okay, okay, now I am going to run this. Display. Okay, now if we are declare any exception in any method, for suppose I am declare exception here, so I need to declare here also, as because this method have exception declaration. So whenever I use this method, then I need to declare the same exception type. So thus we get two. Okay, the two option, we can use a try catch, or we can use a throw. So for now I will throw the same type of exception. For now I will show how to use a try catch. Okay, now I will run this program. Now see this, I will we get an error as because we throw the error forcefully here. This is a compile time. Compile time is the error which we get after the run the program, or we can say which error we get on console menu. So now the throw and throws difference is, the throw and throws are the concept of the exception handling as already discussed with you, where the throw keyword throws the exception explicitly. Okay, we can say explicitly means forcefully. Okay, from a method or a block of code, whereas the throw keyword is used in the throws keyword is used to signature of the method. Signature of the method means this is the signature of the method. Okay, okay, now one more thing, we can write any statement before the throw declaration. Okay, now we get an we our code is executed successfully, but with the exception error. Okay, now but we can't write an statement below the throw. Okay, either we need to handle the exception with the help of try catch, or we need to remove this. Okay, we will understand in more detail in coming video. Okay, I hope you like the video. To show your response, please hit the like button, and if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon to receive the notification for updated videos. I would be glad to receive your feedback, guys, and suggestion and queries in the comment section. I hope this video will helpful to you to understand the concept of the basic Java. Guys, please try to support my channel. I'm not I'm again repeating these things. I'm not professional guy. Okay, I'm just try to share my skills, share my knowledge, which is I learned so far. Okay, from the different resources. Okay, 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 guys. Thanks for watching again.